Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fudge brownies from scratch. First, let's talk about the essential ingredients. Having everything measured and ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 3/4 cup of rich cocoa powder. A teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt will enhance all those wonderful chocolate flavors. Now, let's create that irresistible brownie batter. Begin by gently melting your butter, then whisk in the granulated sugar until it's well combined. Next, add your 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition to ensure a smooth consistency. Gradually fold in the all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Finally, stir in the vanilla extract. Remember, mix until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a less fudgy texture. It's time to bake our brownies to fudgy perfection. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 9 by 13-inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal later. Pour your beautifully mixed brownie batter evenly into the prepared pan. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Avoid overbaking to keep them wonderfully fudgy. The hardest part is waiting, but proper cooling is key for perfect brownies. Let them cool completely in the pan on a wire rack for at least 2 hours. This allows them to set and become truly fudgy, preventing crumbling when you cut them. Once cooled, use the parchment paper overhang to lift the entire slab onto a cutting board. Now, slice your brownies into 16 or 24 delicious squares. Enjoy your homemade fudge brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.